Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel payment on Capitec app. It's important to understand that the ability to cancel a payment depends heavily on the payment status. Here's a breakdown of how to approach this within the Capitec app, along with important considerations. First of all, there's a difference between pending and processed transactions. You will have the best chance of cancelling a payment if it's still in a pending state. Once a transaction is fully processed, it becomes much more difficult to reverse. And also the process may differ slightly depending on whether it's a transfer to another Capitec account, a transfer to another bank, or a debit order. General steps based on available information are 1. Log into the Capitec app. Then, navigate to Transaction after entering your remote PIN. Locate and select the Transaction section within the app. This is where your recent transaction history is displayed. Scroll through your transaction history to find the payment you wish to cancel. If the transaction is still pending, there might be an option to cancel or reverse it. But if the transaction has already been processed, this option will likely not be available. If a cancellation option is available, follow the on-screen instruction to proceed. You may be required to confirm the cancellation. It's important for you to note that when it comes to debit order, Capitec provides a feature within the app to dispute unauthorized debit orders. This is a separate process from cancelling a standard transfer. To dispute a debit order, there's a specific section under the Transact menu. If you're unsure about the status of a transaction or if you encounter any difficulties, it's always best to contact Capitec customer support directly. They can provide personalized assistance. Reversing funds from another person. If you had sent money to the wrong person and the transaction has already been processed, your best option is to contact the person that you sent the money to and request that they send the money back. It's as simple as that.